All right, let's wrap up this set of videos, which I'm sure you're ready for. So again, I don't know exactly what was going on with the last part. That should have worked, but I think maybe I hadn't saved. So let's run the server. And I'll just point out here, there's nothing you need to do on this side. Once it's running, it's serving both the Marriott food and the weather forecast. And it's RESTful API, we call it. It's just sitting out there waiting for something to come grab it. Okay? In this case, we're using React to go grab that data. And so on the front end, I'm going to do an npm run dev and then pull up that window, which you notice there's a little bit of a delay when I refresh this. Initially, it's blank. We're waiting for that asynchronous call. It goes out and grabs the data, and then as the data is available, it drops it into our table in this case. So that's happening really fast. Tough to even see happen. It goes and grabs that data and pulls it in. All right, so that's grabbing the data. Now if we go out to the server and look now that I've saved, we're not getting this request over and over and over and over again like we were before, because we're using this use effect code in React. It would be bad practice to go make those calls without having a use effect to make sure that we're not making those requests over and over again to the server. All right, so last couple thoughts. I mean, we're not doing a lot of stuff here. We're not using the repository pattern on the back end. You know, we're not doing anything with CRUD functionality, updating the data. We're not moving from, you know, page to page in terms of navigation. And, you know, we have to think about considerations like, do we want to send this raw data, this JSON stuff across the internet, you know, so people can access it. We have security concerns to worry about, you know, user permissions, like all sorts of different things we still need to consider. And what we've done is get a good base for .NET, I hope, and a good base for React, I hope. And what we're going to do in starting in the next series of videos is build an honest to goodness app, right? So not just every time, hey, let's start over again with a new React you know, setup and a new .NET setup, but take and build a base, and then for a number of series of videos, just continue to work on that same app and learn more both about React and about .NET as we explore further and increase our knowledge. But the big thing here is just I'm thinking about you know, enterprise application development. That term is taking different technologies and putting them together in order to make the program do what you need it to do. APIs we use all the time in the world of programming. Again, you don't typically run full stack. You can with .NET, but a lot of times you're piecing this thing together with that thing, and that skill is important. That we're not scared of that. That we say, okay, giddy up, let's jump in. Let's you know, piece these technologies together to make it do, my app do whatever I need it to do. If I need to go hit Google's API and grab a map to bring it in to be able to you know, do something with it, cool. Like, not afraid of that. And that's what we're trying to do is you know, help you become more comfortable with that idea. All right, very good. Well, like I say, we'll build that app starting in the next set of videos. Spencer out.